Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to get the correct answer in here. Question number 1. We need to find the standard deviation, and that is about the pink rows. So we know that that is about 30% in here. So the formula that should be like this. So we know that, and that is about the 10 rows in here. We put number 10. Probability to select pink, that is about 30%. Multiply by 1 minus 30%. So we calculate this one, and that is about 1.45. And that is this answer in here. Question number 2, what is the mean number in here? So we have the mean that should be like this. So and that is about 10. Probability that's about 0.3. That's it from here. And you got number 3. And probability to select one pink. So we see that we have 30%. That is about 0.3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.